Well, I never got to tell you to your face. With you, such disappointment and a waste, a disgrace. These words are really hanging off my chest. Regrets, I haven't really had any of those yet. Never knew what to expect. Less, it really is the operative word, I guess. Respect doesn't really fit into your mold. Regrets, you have a few that are getting old. Well, I will make you so sorry. I'll make you so sorry now. You wish you never met me, and all your memories blocked out. I can't believe you wasted my time. My precious time is now, and I will make you so sorry. I hope you feel so left out. I just wanted the truth. Now I just want you to